This is a step-by-step guide of exactly what to do when you feel the market has absolutely done you over. Check out how I lost this 2% today after actually winning my trade. So as you can see on gold, we played to the plan, stuck to the structure, and executed exactly how I do every single day. I waited for my impulsive move up, and as you can see, this area here, we created a new support. We then created our new resistance at this area here at 2005-400 level. Then got a really clean closure for this big bullish candle outside and above that resistance. As soon as we broke that previous wick, that is when I executed my trade for a buy. As we broke the previous wick, entered the trade, and as you can see here, we wicked up lovely, and we just crossed over the TP line where I set my stops at entry and I secure some profits. Check out my MT5 here of it showing exactly where I hit the line of my TP. Because I wasn't watching the charts, which is lesson learnt from me, as you can see here, the next candle then plummeted. I took out my stop loss for a 2% trade, essentially losing a winning trade. So step 1, absolutely do not revenge trade, let the trade go. Step 2, if you've set your trade and you can't be at the charts, ensure you have a stop loss. This will save your account from absolutely blowing up. And as you can see here, I set my stop loss and then it plummeted another 50 or 60 pips. So in that sense, I'm grateful. And the final step, Step 3, do not take another trade for that day. We are all human. No matter what anyone says, there is no way after you've actually won a trade and then you end up seeing that you've lost it, that your emotions could get high. Make sure you favorite this video, make sure you save it so you know exactly how to react in the future in your trading.